Hello, students. Happy Children's Day to all of you. First of all, I'm too glad and thankful to you both for your amazing contribution for our entertainment purpose on Children's Day. You have made our day the most special. It's Deepavali today, and we know how much difficult it is to manage all the other works and prepare for our performance. Yet you did it all in an effortless manner. Mm, As we know that today is Children Day and every year we celebrate this day very cheerfully at our school. But today's situation is different due to pandemic period. Now I'm going to tell you something about Chacha Nehru. Why do we celebrate Children Day every year? Uh, Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year to pay respect to our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 14 November and he was very fond of children. After he died in the year 1964, Children's Day is celebrated every year on his birthday. He wanted the children to have the right to be educated, as he thought that the children would become the future of the country. He founded many institutions for the education of children. He introduced free meals for children who were poor. The free meals would urge the parents to send their children to school, and that would save their children's cost for food. He compared children with birds of flower. The children used to call him Chacha Nehru. He also worked for the welfare of children apart from making India independent. Now I am going to show you an old video of Doordarshan channel of Chacha Nehru so that you will know how Chacha Nehru had a relationship with children. Have a look.
जल्दी बनाए बच्चों के लिए और सवाल यह है कि बच्चे उसे पसंद करते हैं कि नहीं। ये थोड़ी कि मैं पसंद करता हूँ कि नहीं है? मेरा पसंद करना न करने का कोई माने ही नहीं है। बच्चे करें तो अच्छा है, बच्चे नहीं करें तो निकम्मा है। लेकिन उसमें क्या खास उसका फिल्म का हिस्सा है जो ज्यादा पसंद आया?
मुझे वो वाला अच्छा लगा हिस्सा जहाँ दुबे बस को चलाया।
अच्छा, और दुबे बस को चलाता है तुम्हें पसंद आया? अच्छा, हाँ?
जब वो बोलता है टेबल पर आके खड़ा होकर बोलता है मम्मी और डैडी आंटी और आंटी, वो मेरे को सुन बहुत पसंद है।
अच्छा।
आप सभी को पता है इस वक्त पूरी दुनिया कोरोना वायरस से जूझ रही है। कोरोना वायरस से कुछ बचाव संभावित है, जैसे कि बार बार अपने हाथों को अच्छे से धोएं, अपने गंदे हाथ चेहरे पर ना लगाएं, छींकते या खांसते समय मुंह में रुमाल रखें या कोई तौलिया, भीड़ भाड़ वाली जगहों में जाने से बचें। यदि आपको सर्दी, जुकाम या खांसी होती है, ऐसे लक्षण दिखने पर दूसरे से दूरी बनाए रखें और तुरंत अपने डॉक्टर की सलाह लें।
सीमा पर जवान और खेतों में किसान, कैसे कह दूं इस दुखी मन से कि मेरा भारत माँ। जब भोजन की थाली सामने आ जाए तो भोजन के समय ईश्वर को नहीं, उस महान किसान को धन्यवाद देना जिसने तुम्हें भूखा ना रहने देने की जिम्मेदारी उठा रखी। Good evening to all, my respected teachers, friends, brothers and sisters. My name is Saloni Yadav. I am a student of class 8. Today is Children's Day. So first of all, I wish a very happy Children's Day to all. This day is very special and memorable for us. We are celebrating Children's Day on the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We all know him as a Chacha Nehru. He was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad in British India. He belongs from a middle class family of a village of Allahabad.
Principal, teacher and my dear friends, my name is B. Hemlata. I am studying in class 8. My school name is Government English Medium School. Today's Children's Day celebration in India every year with celebrated by the teacher and students in the all schools with the great excitement.
Teachers and all my dear friends, today I go to start my video storytelling of the story of the king and the spider. Vikram was a brave king. Once he had to fight against a large army with just a few soldiers. He was defeated. He had to run away for his life. Vikram took shelter in a forest cave. He was very depressed. His courage had left him. He was blankly gazing at the ceiling of the cave. An interesting skin captured his attention. A small spider was trying to weave a web across the cave ceiling. As the spider crawled up, a thread of the web broke and the spider fell down. But the spider did not give up. He tried to climb again and again. Finally, the spider successfully climbed up and completed the web.
Good afternoon to the respected chief guest, principal, teacher and my dear friend. Today I would like to speak a few words about Children's Day. I wish all my friends a very happy Children's Day. Today is 14th November. The day is celebrated as Children's Day all over India. 14th November is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Pandit Nehru has great love and affection towards children, hence his birthday is celebrated. All celebration Children's Day every year. He always liked to be among children. Day. He was very loving and caring towards children. Hence children called his Chacha Nehru. Pandit Nehru away said that children are the future of the nation.
Hello everyone, my name is Tulsi Manji. I am a student of class 8. The three artists. One there lived three artists in the famous city. They were famous for their art. They were known to everyone. The climb that they were perfectly skilled. Each prized oneself climbing. He was the best artist among them. One day they decided to have a fair
Compliments to all of you. Today is Children's Day because I am prepared Hindi poem story. एक बार की बात है, शिवम नाम का एक लड़का अपने माता पिता के साथ रहता था। वह हमेशा स्कूल के होमवर्क से भागता रहता था। जब भी टीचर उसे कुछ भी काम दे, होमवर्क दे, तो वह अगले दिन स्कूल ही नहीं जाता। कुछ ना कुछ बहाना करके अपने माता पिता से कहकर वह स्कूल नहीं जाता। एक दिन टीचर ने कहा, मैं सबकी नोटबुक्स चेक करूंगी।
Good afternoon, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Umar Ilahi. I am studying in class 7A. Today I am going to say story. मेरी कहानी का नाम है कबूतर और चींटी। बहुत समय की बात है, एक जंगल था जहाँ पे एक चींटी पेड़ पे चढ़ रही थी।